Hey, good morning everybody. It's John with GreenKey. We are on site to install a ChargePoint 48 amp EV charger, and we're in a garage. You can see we've got a 2-car garage here. We just walked through everything with the customer, and we decided that we would like to have the charger installed right here. So we'll be installing it right where that rack is. We'll take that down. We're going to be running 3/4 inch EMT conduit. You can see there's a lot of soffits. We've got to get past all this garage door hardware. We've got another soffit here. Here is our panel. It's a Cutler hammer panel. They got 200 amp service. Just looking at the loading, they're good for the 48 amp charger. So we're going to be probably coming out in a junction box right near the ceiling there, coming around again, around through there. Hey, good morning, Chase. How you doing, man?
Good morning. How's everybody doing?
And then mounting the charger right here. So we'll go ahead and get everything set up, get the install done, and then after we're finished, we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we're wrapping up with our first job of the day, and we'll show y'all what we've got. We'll start over here at the panel. You can see where our circuit starts in this junction box. We've installed our 60 amp 2-pole breaker labeled EV charger, number 6 wire, 3/4 inch EMT conduit. We ran around the wall right over top of the garage door, and then right down to the ChargePoint charger, which is set up at 48 amps. And since it's set up in the middle of the garage, they'll be able to use it in a number of ways. Either vehicle they can use it for, or if they want to use it outside, they can do that too. So that's all we've got for this one. We'll see you next time. Y'all have a great day.